So Lord Chaitanya said, this is part of Rag Marg. This is okay. These are elements. Each word in this verse of Brahma Stuti is acceptable to the goal of, because Lord Chaitanya asked Ramananda Roy, the whole starting of Ramananda Samvag and Madhya Lila chapter 8 of Chaitanya Charitamrita is, please tell me what is the goal of human life and what is the means to attain it. So the goal of human life is service of Radha and Krishna in the Kunjas of Vrindavan and the Gopi Bhav. The goal of human life, according to Lord Chaitanya, which he accepted fully in his teachings of Madhya Lila chapter 8, is to serve Radha and Krishna in the Kunjas, Nikunjas, Radha and Krishna enjoying together in Madhurya Lila, amorous, loving pastimes, in the mood of a Sakhi and Gopi. And the way to attain, because Lord Chaitanya said, yes, this is the goal of life. You've reached the goal of human life. Now he said, now how do you attain this goal of life? Then Ramananda said, you have to follow Raganuga Bhakti. And he said, how do you do that? So then he describes Raganuga Bhakti. So Lord Chaitanya said, this is the goal of life. Radha Krishna Yugala Upasana. Radha Krishna Yugala Nikunjame Radha Krishna Yugala Upasana. To worship Radha and Krishna in Nikunja and all different Leela stans. So this verse is this Brahma Stuti, 14th chapter, 10th canto, verse 5-6, is all nourishing. This is anukulya and favorable for Raganuga Bhakti. Do you understand?
Yes, Gurudev.
So he accepted that as part of it.
But Brahmadev, when he spoke or when I read the translation, it is not like, means now it is clear, but there it is.
Every book needs a teacher.
Yes.
Without a guru, without a teacher, how can anyone know Shastra?